Hello, and welcome to Employee Attendance Management, alias EAM video tutorials. This tutorial describes how to set up your shop floor feature for clocking in and out. Using the Global Administrator user account, the one who registered for the EAM service. Select Shop Floor Login Setup on the left menu bar. Enter the shop floor administration email. Then proceed to click the Save button. A password must be set up in order to log into the shop floor clocking in and out feature. Click the Email to Set Up Password button, which will then send a notification to the shop floor administrator email address. Once the password is set, you would log in with the shop floor admin user credentials. This will then display the view where you can select the shop floor clock in and out menu option on the left menu bar. Tutorial Clocking in and out with EAM describes this process. And that's it for this tutorial. Goodbye for now.